Hello everyone, my name is Som Dave, currently doing my undergrad in Information Technology from DJSMV College of Engineering, Mumbai. In order to utilize this quarantine period efficiently, I started working on a project exactly a month ago. Before I explain it to you all about the project, I would like to share the incidents that led me make this project. Just a month back, the fear of coronavirus was on its peak, with the second lockdown being declared and the cases of COVID-19 were increasing rapidly on a global level. So any related news article or a rumor that entered social media took hardly any time to get viral. Hey, the lockdown may get extended till August. USA may declare a war against China. The cases in India are way more higher than it is displayed. These are the myths that I have been hearing since 2 months now. And there have been a lot of false information that reach people that create a very negative impact on their minds. Right now, everyone talks about physical illness, the coronavirus. But does anyone talk about mental illness? And all of this encouraged me to create a platform with the help of which I should be able to help the people becoming the victim of this myths by providing them the data from true and verified sources and giving them the daily updates about the current COVID-19 scenario globally. I have tried to cover all the aspects that a normal person looks for. A number of case count globally and country-wise, check. Geographic map through which the user can surf to any country and look for the case count, check. List of zones in India, check. State-wise case counts of India, check. Emergency helpline numbers, check. Preventive measures from the virus, check. And the main and the key feature for this project is that providing the latest news of current COVID-19 and the current affairs of India, check. So here I am, after an effort of almost a month, all ready and set to launch a small attempt of mine, which is called All About COVID. Okay, so now here everyone has an opportunity to do something equivalent to treating the COVID-19 patients. Wondering how? Just by sharing this website to all your friends and relatives so that they get the live and latest update of COVID-19. So lastly, I just would like to say, be safe, be healthy, and yes, stay healthy. Hi guys, so as the saying goes that in theory there is no difference between theory and practice, but in practice there is a big difference. So as we know that practicals plays an important role in learning, during times like this, virtual labs helps you understand the practical aspect of the experiment. This project is a virtual simulation of various science experiments. Let's walk you through to the project.
Currently, our project aims to provide virtual simulation experience for kids. We have chosen a theme that would make them fall in love with the platform and encourage them to learn. One of the main aspects of the simulation is how true to life it can become. Animations are designed in such a way that it is fun for them to learn.
Experiments are intuitive and very easy to understand. These experiments open the doors towards a new way of performing and visualizing the experiments. Rather than just learning the experiments from the textbooks, using this platform, students can manipulate different knobs of the experiments and see the changes happen almost instantaneously. Isn't that cool?
And let's move towards the technical aspect of the project. The project is completely cross-platform. The user can access it from anywhere. Also, the user has its own choice of browser, and the simulator looks very intuitive and it loads up very quickly. The UI of the web is really good and things look very intuitive.
But wait, what if I'm using a mobile phone? Let's talk about our app. Again, the UI is completely intuitive and responsive, and the application is available on both Android and iOS platforms. One of the major aspects of the app is that it's completely offline, so you don't need an active internet connection to use it. You can perform all the experiments virtually with the same immersive experience.
So overall, this project is aimed at making practical learning fun, while letting the learner nurture his mind by not only learning what all is given in the textbook, but also understanding it and experiencing it virtually. So with that said, I would like to sign off and wish you all happy learning. Thank you.
About us. We at Bruno notice that animal shelters across India receive several rescues every day. Many shelters lack the resources to nurse these animals back to health and thus rely on social media contacts to treat them at home. There is no formal platform for these shelters to find and interact with both potential fosterers and adopters. We also realize that many people wish to have their own money to take care of them. Pet owners, on the other hand, find it difficult to look for trustworthy pet sitters when they need to travel. Being able to interact with animal lovers would help them choose a trustworthy individual. As a result, we made it our goal to provide a platform for pet lovers and potential pet owners to easily find animals in need of a new home. Want to pet? Just follow the few simple steps. Step 1. Create an account. Step 2. Choose from the various pet listings. Step 3. Contact the owner to discuss specifics. And step 4. Have a wonderful time with your furry friend. Let's begin by creating a new account. Passwords, we use basic regular expressions along with a few commonly used passwords that we don't want to allow. For example, we start off with password 1234, which is a very putting it up for adoption.